program sponsored by AICTE under the Atal scheme on the theme, the future of computing. We are one of the very important stakeholders who are going to bridge this gap. Because you are meeting to the students. When you deliver your information converted into wisdom or artificial data. So when I'm talking about the country's progress, so when this federated data that you're talking about, it becomes very important role to play. So you as faculty members.
पेपर लिखने का सबसे आसान तरीका सबसे पहले आप प्रॉब्लम को फाइंड आउट करें एंड प्रॉब्लम फाइंड आउट करना इज नॉट ए इजी टास्क। अब हम प्रॉब्लम को फाइंड आउट कैसे करेंगे? प्रॉब्लम को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें लिटरेचर रिव्यू करना होगा। अब लिटरेचर रिव्यू से प्रॉब्लम कैसे मिलेगा? क्योंकि देखिएगा जितने भी रिसर्च पेपर आपको मिलेगा उसमें लिटरेचर रिव्यू जरूर होगा। लिटरेचर रिव्यू से हम प्रॉब्लम को फाइंड आउट कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? लिटरेचर को पढ़ते वक्त आप सवाल करेंगे कि व्हाट विल गेट द आंसर, हाउ विल गेट द आंसर, व्हाई विल गेट द आंसर, दैट मीन्स प्रॉब्लम इज ऑलरेडी सॉल्व। जब ये सवाल करते हैं कि व्हाट, हाउ एंड व्हाई, कुछ जगह पे आपको व्हाई का आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, why it happened, समझ लीजिए वही प्रॉब्लम। आप प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, फिर आप उस प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशन पे ध्यान दें। तो जो टाइटल क्या होता है? वन लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशंस ऑफ इंटायर रिसर्च वर्क।
Whenever you come and download them, this is the server, user 1, user 2, user data center, hospital 1, hospital 2, hospital 3. Both model individually works. Therefore, there is no, I think, I mean to say the training is done in the itself. They do not have any security practices. So this is actually a decentralized environment, how it works. What is the mathematics behind it? We'll discuss it.
That the person especially distributed a space, right? That was especially distributed. And it collects and transmits data below, right? And the components given, and then the major part one of the important that the WSN should be efficient for IoT. The recap goal that it should prolong the lifetime of the sensor. One of the goal is how long the sensor network can run. Now, if you measure the longevity of a sensor network, when you say that a network is dead, either all nodes lost the power, that cannot happen, or one node lost the power, or multiple nodes. When do you say it is dead? Because only few nodes stop working, that means their power is lost. The sensor network will not work. Because many of the nodes may become isolated because of the connectivity. Some of the nodes have lost their battery or power, therefore they cannot work. So, how long we can deal with that? That is, the efficient use of energy and power is one of the key phenomena in minds. How it is important, how to make, now look at routing algorithm. It looks that its task is to transmit packets from one node to another. But look at, if there are collisions at the lower level, you lose descend the packet again. So it's not that only routing is responsible, but the MAC layer where the collisions are occurring, when a routing layer sends a packet, but then it collides at the lower level, then what will happen? It has to send the packet again. Right? So therefore, how do you select a path where the probability of collision is low? Will also be an efficient routing algorithm. Though it is a routing algorithm, we will also look for a path where the possibility of collision is low. Topology is the reason, why not? Topology is the reason, but topology you have randomly deployed, it is not under your control. Now your efficient routing algorithm is, it must take that whether some node is resulting in more collision or not, that should not be part of the path. If your algorithm takes care of that, your routing algorithm is energy efficient routing. This is one of the efficiency.
Then I decided कि कुछ डेटा और कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन मैं या कुछ रिसोर्सेज मैं ऑन प्रेम से यानी कि मेरे प्रेमाइज से मूव कर देता हूँ क्लाउड की तरफ एंड देन लेट मी सी हाउ मच बेनिफिट आई विल गेट. Definitely you will be benefited once you migrate from on premise, that is your own capability, your own capacity, to cloud. That is a different chapter altogether, that how we get benefited when we move from on-prem to cloud. But why I am emphasizing this point over here is, as soon as you migrate your load from on-prem to any cloud service provider, specifically if I am data tech for AWS, we can deliver our work 4 times more faster than we used to deliver when we were on-premise. On-premise में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे खुद का सेटअप है, मेरे खुद के रिसोर्सेज हैं, मेरे खुद की मशीन्स हैं, वो उतना ही लोड ले पाएंगी जितना भी उनकी कैपेसिटी है. There is no resource sharing. मैं वो रिसोर्सेज किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ. For example, there are 100 employees in the organization, and all the 100 employees are trying to query a single code which is on my machine. Obviously, bandwidth slow हो जाएगा, slow हो जाएगी speed, there will be latency which I will observe, और उस latency की वजह से मेरा काम slow होगा, मेरा output slow होगा, मेरी productivity slow होगा. What I want is quick results. In comparison to, मैं उसी कोड को क्लाउड पे मूव कर दूंगा. I migrate that code to cloud platform where there is resource sharing.
In building professional networking tools, let's suppose, for example, you go at an event and you met some people there. You ask their name and you have connected to them on their LinkedIn profile. So what we can do is, on our 20, you can scrap their LinkedIn profile data and you can have conversation on any topic you desire. Let's suppose personality A and personality B have same domain on AI. They can converse on any topic and share their respective ideas on particular topic.
Here the timing to reach here was 9:30. Secondly, hands-on session was very late in the evening. I would request you to make it a session at 2 or 2:30 after the lunch, because
and the Vidyas sir, Mopatra sir, and the Rajit Kohli sir, they have given us the information about their latest technologies, and which is well and good. And my only concern is that the things should be more practical exposure, which will definitely help us, all of us. And apart from that, hospitality was very good, and we had a
That was there in IoT, it was very good. So it was overall good experience.